Folks, it's October 8th, 2020 at about 8 a.m. I just opened up the hood of my car because my battery died, and I cannot believe what I was just presented with. Oh my God. If you're wondering what all those are, they came from those saguaros. What is this? What? Something wrapped around my... These orange peels, though. There's stuff inside there. Over here. There's even pieces of cactus in there. Stuff under there. Something made a home out of my car. Even... What the... Oh my God. All I wanted to do was come out here and charge the battery because it died. Folks, I don't believe what I'm seeing here, but there it is.